here. Yes, so that you take a breather. Are we together? From there, I want us to, you listen. If you don't have a book, you're not near a book, and you listen. Members of a peer group in a senior school noticed that some of their colleagues were involved in drug and substance abuse. They organized to give a free talk to educate learners and other members of the community on the dangers of drug and substance abuse. So tell me the dangers of drug and substance abuse. Yes? Health problems, yes. Sorry?
Social problems.
Yes, social problems. Work issues. Yes. Yes, school dropout. Economic burden.
Getting infections.
Yes, you can get infections.
Family conflict.
Yes, you get family conflicts. Yes, you have suicidal thoughts.
Financial issues.
Yes, you have financial issues. Sorry? Hallucinations. That's a problem also. All those are the dangers of drug abuse. Yes, I think we wrote them also, right? So, when these members of the peer group noticed and they educated the members of the community, how did the members benefit? Tell me how the members benefited. Yes? They were able to learn. They were able to learn the dangers of what? Drug and substance abuse. That is all what you say. They were able to learn. That is how they benefited. They were able to learn. Listen to case study 2. Grade 10 learners at Ufanisi Senior School noticed that there was shortage of fruits and vegetables in their community. They joined some members of the local community and learned how to grow kales and passion fruits. Their aim was to help everyone access nutritious food. Yes? So tell me, how do you grow kales? How do you grow kales? The first step of growing kales? Yes, the first step is? Yes, very good. You choose the right variety. We have different varieties of kales. We have the 1,000-headed. We have the Kelly kale. So number 1, you have to choose the right what? Variety. Number 2, yes?
Prepare a nursery bed.
Yes, you prepare a nursery bed. You prepare a nursery bed, then what do you do after you plant? Yes? You transplant. Now because the nursery is small, you transplant. You take from where the nursery is, you take to where your land is, right? That is transplanting. From there, number 4, what do? You water. You water your kales and then you top dress. Top dressing is whereby you cover and maybe you put some manure, right? Yes, what else do you do? Yes? Yes, pest control, if there are pests. And remember, we have pests like aphids, we have cutworms. So you have, if you have those pests, you can get what? You can get, they're called what? Pesticides. To be able to counteract that. And then from pest control, what do you do? Yes? You harvest. That's whereby you go plucking the what? The kale. So now, this Ufanisi Senior School joined the members of the local community and learned how to grow kales. So, how did the actions in case study above show the idea of learning with the community? How did it show? Yes, tell me. Yes, how did the actions in the case study above, the one we talked about, show the idea of learning with the community? Basically, they were able, the members of the community were also able to learn. They were able to learn what? How to grow what? Kales. Then we go to case study 3. Listen to case study 3 because here I'm going to ask you questions and you are going to answer the first question. Listen to case study 3. Some learners in your senior day school, notice that most children in their community faced difficulties in reading and writing. They tutored the children and organized play activities that promoted literacy and numeracy. They did this during the weekends and school holidays. They collaborated with parents and some of the lower primary teachers. After 6 months, they noticed an improvement in literacy and numeracy skills. The learners also gained leadership and creative thinking. For how long did the learners conduct the activity? Yes, for how long?
6 months.
Very good, go sit. Clap for him. 6 months, yes? Question number 2. How did the learners and the community benefit from the activity? How did they benefit? Yes?
We gain leadership and
Very good, very good. Clap for him. They gained literacy and numeracy what? Skills. Very good. Then we go to number 4, whereby you are told, use digital services to research on the internet for the meaning of the following terms. You may also read printed materials. What is community service? Yes. Sorry.
How many are we prefects? Eh? Mko watoto of 79. Kuna wenye wako nyumbani ama eh? Eh? How many? So sasa hivi mko 76. Plus yako nyumbani 77 ama toto, yani class mnafaa kuwa wangapi hata mwenye ako nyumbani? I need the total. Tunataka kuadjust, so I need the exact number. Mwalimu akimaliza lesson, mwalimu akimaliza lesson niletee the exact number members of your class. Mpaka wenye wako nyumbani. Sawa. Asante.
You're welcome. Are we together? Yes. So we were talking about research in the internet. We were talking about a community service.